The KSAG-5. The world's first ever right here in this box. And yeah, it's not on the market yet, but in this video, I'm gonna show you why it's worth the wait. Let's check it out. Make a wish. The first ever community built angle guide ever. You told us what you hated about all the other angle guides. We wrote it down and KFMK built it. No more wobble, no more welding it to your machine. No more issue with being close enough to the belt. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. Now anyone can put a laser beam bevel on a knife. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And if you are subscribed, hit that bell. I've got bigger news than the KSAG-5 coming soon. See ya.